Hello beautiful gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl Omo. If you are new on my channel, my name is Omo and I do videos on beauty and fashion, and I upload every Thursday. I try. And if you're new, why not be part of the family? Subscribe to this beautiful family. And if you're a subscriber already, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for everything, for the support. And today I'm just going to be doing like an eye look. I don't know which eye look I'm going for, but I picked up this nail palette, Juvia nail palette, and this is my first Juvia palette really. And I thought, okay, I've seen so many people use Juvia palettes on YouTube, but I've never owned any. So when I saw this, they're new, so I thought, okay, let me pick this two up. But today we're going to concentrate on this festival, the festival by Juvia. So I'm going to open it, do some swatches, and yeah. Sorry guys, I've got some stuff falling off my table. So, and this is what it looks like. It comes in this pack right here. And yeah, obviously it's the same thing from the pack and the palette. And we have the colors in. It's called 9 colors altogether and 9 shades altogether in it. And the names are written on the, I think the names, let me just double check. Oh yeah, this is great. Oh, I just smashed it. Okay, that's all right. This is really great because I was thinking the names were written on this flip before. I wanted to say this isn't great, but this is absolutely great. And look at all these beautiful gorgeous colors. So I'm going to be swatching them just for you to see, and hopefully I'm able to pronounce most of the names. You know I'm not good with pronunciation, but I will try. And I'm going to swatch the first one, which is Ofala. Ofala is like, is a red color. Wow, my goodness guys, this is Ofala. This is a beautiful red color. I'm so excited. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to swatch Uli. It's like a silver color. Yeah, it's like white silver color. It's beautiful. Let me swatch this other one. I need wipes now. Precious, can you get me my, yeah, that's my daughter Precious. And I'm swatching Izafa. Izafa is like, thank you love. Izafa is like will I say berry color? I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong. Or burgundy, I'm not sure, but this is the color. This is what it looks like though. So let me swatch that quickly. Ori. This is like yellow. Then we have, let me just clean my fingers so I won't get all the ones, I won't get the colors into themselves. So we've done horror, and we have Irigi, which is a beautiful hot pink. I must tell you, hot pink is not my cup of tea, but I love this hot pink. This is like orange, mo, odogu. This is gold. Look at this gold color. This is beautiful. Then we have Abba. This is a blue color. And lastly we have Keleke. And it's a beautiful black color. I think this color is gorgeous guys. They are amazing. They are gorgeous. So yeah, I'm just going to like try to put some colors together, and let's see the eye look we can achieve with all this. So I'm going to grab my little mirror because I love to use my mirror. I love to put my mirror down like this when I'm doing my eye makeup. That way it comes very easy for me to blend in. Which color am I going to go in with? I'm so confused. I think I'm going to start with this light color, then probably go in with, I'm going to go in with this peach color first, then probably go in with red and see what we can achieve with that. Let's see. So I'm just going to start blending it into my crease and upper part as a translucent color. I love to do this. If you don't, I don't know how people achieve, you know, how they do their eye makeup without their mirror position like this. And sometimes I like to go in like this, honestly, especially if I want it to look very, you know, neat and high, because this actually lifts my eyes when I do this. And you want the brush to do the blending. You want to go in easy on the brush. As you can see, look at that. It's not too much, it's well blended. I love to go in with little, and you want to dab the extra out. And I like it's not falling out too much. When I tap it out, it's not tapping out too much. That means the product is not getting wasted, you can see. So we're just going to do this again, you know, and let the brush do the job. I'm going to go in with the same brush, honestly, being lazy. I'm going to go in with the red color. We're just playing around, guys, so we'll see. Ooh. And I'm going to go into the crease a little bit this time around, more into the crease. The red color is gorgeous, and a little goes a long way, guys. You don't even need to apply too much. This is beautiful. Oh, it's worth all the coins, guys. This palette is worth all. I don't even care what anybody says about this palette. It's worth the coins. A little goes a long way. Honestly, I wish I really want to stop right now. I don't want to go in too much on that red. You know me, if you know me very well, I don't like bright eye makeup. Yes, I love it this way. So I'm going to go in with this golden color for my lid. Let's see how that will work. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is good, guys. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. You know what? Something just came to my mind, guys. Hold on a minute. Let's go in with the this burgundy on the outer corner of my hands. Then we'll now do like, I know, I'm just playing around today. I'm amazing myself. I should have used another anyway. I'm just gonna grab another brush and use it to blend it out. I'm going to do the same to this side. But guys, do you even know why I'm using one blending brush? I want to let you know that even if you don't have so many brushes, you don't have to go to the market to buy so many brushes all because you want to do your eye makeup. You can actually do your eye makeup with 1 or 2 brushes. To be honest, 1 brush or 2 will do your eye makeup and you'll still achieve that look. But if you have money, by all means, make sure you invest. It's very good to invest in brushes. Okay, it's a good thing to invest in brushes. So I'm going to smoothen that out with this my small brush, yeah, just to make sure we don't have any lines, you know. And this is a brush I love to use because this brush is a very small brush, and you know. Okay guys, so I can continue with my gold one now. Oh my god, this palette is so beautiful. Look at that, guys. This is nice. You know I don't like doing too much with my eyeshadows, so but this right here, I love this palette. This palette is going to be my go-to palette now. I'm only switching palettes. Once I have one palette, I'm switching from one to the other. And this is it, guys, as simple as it. Look at that. I've not even finished my eye makeup. I'm loving this look right here. Guys, let me know if you love it. I'm just going to go ahead, finish up my look, do my eyebrow, my liner, you know, and yes. And this is a simple look we've been able to achieve with these palettes. And I'm going to put a picture right here after I finish my eye makeup. Let me know if you love this look. and let me know which look you love me to create with this palette. It's so gorgeous. Before I go, let me show you the other palette. Let me just show you quickly what the palette looks like, and we're going to be creating some look with the other palettes too. I just want this video to be as short as I can. That's why I thought, oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Should we do some swatches quickly? I think so, guys. Cream. Chocolate. This is chocolate. That is like silver. Oh, it looks silvery from the palette, but do you know what just happened, guys? Look at that. It looks purplish or lilac, like lilac color. This is so nice. Cream is like pink. Macaron is green. Look at that green, guys. Gorgeous shimmery green. Custard is purple. Puff is like light pink. Let me do it with this. Yeah, puff is like light pink. Then we have berry moons. Berry moons is matte bar. Okay, guys, this is my final look with this palette right here. Let me know if you're loving this look. My camera is quite far away from me. I would have zoomed in, but I could move a little bit closer for you guys to see the look. I'm really loving this look. I'm feeling this look, feeling this look, feeling this palette, feeling this look. So let me know if you're feeling this look, if you love this look. Let me know the look you want me to create with this palette. And yes, I didn't remember to mention that I already primed my eyelid before introducing the palette to you. And I was actually doing the swatches of this palette before my camera went off and I didn't even notice. So this palette right here, we're going to be creating some other look with this palette. So watch out for it. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Support your girl, be part of the family. Click that button right now. What are you waiting for? Put on your notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Until I see you in my next video, I'll leave you with a word: be true to yourself. Don't let anybody say otherwise to you. Love yourself. You're the only one that can love yourself. And don't procrastinate. Get up and do what you have to do. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.